How much is a picture worth? Millions and millions of dollars. How much is a picture that you didn't take worth? Zero. I will show you a picture tomorrow that has probably made over $100 million. One picture that has made over $100 million. And I might even say more than that. One picture has made over that much money. Not for one person, for many people, but it's made over that much money. How do we take great pictures? Have a tripod, right? Because if it's getting dusk, that's the best time. We want that daylight. That is the best picture, is right there when it's getting dark. Put it on a tripod, put it in night mode, touch it. It's going to count down 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, and then take the picture, and it's going to take a while for it to do the shutter. Because otherwise, when I go to hit that tripod and it takes it right away, it's going to move, and it's going to keep moving a little bit. You might not see it, but then it's going to mess up your light. So that's how you can make sure you got good pictures. And then you're going to put the timer on the house. After you get done with the timer, we're going to go talk to the customer. We're going to talk about timer education. This is how it works. Hey, Miss Jones, I know it's only October 1st, but when you're ready to turn the lights on, all you need to do is either plug it in or turn this little dial right here, and that's going to turn these lights on for you. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to troubleshoot. Hey, if the lights are not on, this has a GFCI right here. Sometimes, who knows, water and electric don't always mix. You may have to, if your lights ain't working, you may need to hit the button right here to do that. Customer satisfaction. Timer meets their needs, comfortable with operation, address any concerns on the fair. And then here's the best thing. Hey, Miss Jones, is there any reason why you wouldn't want to give me a 5-star review? No, these look amazing. These are going to look awesome tonight. Awesome.